Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change camera resolution in Blender. There is one really simple method that I practically use always. So first I recommend you to check this option, toggle the camera view. You can see here the actual resolution of the camera. So if you are not happy about that and you want to change it, you need to change some settings. So what you have to do, you need to move your cursor to the right side, and here we have some settings. We are interested in to go to output properties. So you need to open this one option, and here you have format settings, and you can see the resolution X and resolution Y. You can modify these values, it depends everything of your preferences here. So for example, I will increase this value of resolution X. You can increase it by moving the mouse to the right side and decrease it by moving it to the left side. Standard values here will be 1920 pixels. And now we can press enter, and like you see, our resolution has been successfully changed here. Of course, you can change here aspect values and change frame rate if you need it. So here you will find a lot of really helpful settings that you can apply to your project. Okay, so it is how I change resolution in Blender. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And that's all. Thank you for watching.